Ahila amigos, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the captivating world of Spanish style home decor where old world charm meets Mediterranean elegance. From the sun-soaked regions of Spain to the cozy haciendas of Mexico, Spanish style homes are a fusion of history, culture and artistic flair. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the key elements and design principles that make Spanish style decor so enchanting and how you can incorporate it into your own home. Spanish style home decor is steeped in a rich history that dates back centuries, influenced by the Moors, Romans, and other civilizations. This design aesthetic is a vibrant blend of cultures, resulting in a captivating tapestry of patterns, colors, and textures. Arches, courtyard, and terracotta roofs are characteristic features of that harkens back to a bygone era, evoking a sense of timelessness that modern design styles often lack. One of the defining feature of Spanish style decor is its warm and earthy color palette. Think of sun-kissed terracotta, rustic browns, deep ochre, vibrant blues, and olive greens. These colors create a cozy, inviting ambience, making a home feel like an oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Spanish tiles or azulejos are an iconic element of this style. These handcrafted tiles come in an array of intricate patterns and vivid colors, adding a touch of artistic beauty to any space. Whether adorning kitchen backsplashes, stair risers, or fountains in a courtyard, these tiles are the epitome of Spanish charm. Wrought iron is a signature element in Spanish decor, from balconies adorned with delicate iron railings to chandeliers featuring wrought iron details. These pieces add a touch of rustic elegance to a home. They also beautifully complement wooden furniture and heavy wood doors, creating a sense of harmony and balance. Spanish style homes often feature charming courtyards and patios. These outdoor spaces are designed to be extension of the interior, providing seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors courtyard. The courtyards are adorned with lush greenery, terracotta pots, bubbling fountains, creating a tranquil retreat to relax and entertain. When it comes to furniture, Spanish style decor embraces the use of rustic wooden pieces that exude warmth and authenticity. Heavy wooden dining tables, armoires, and carved beds frames add a touch of old world elegance to any room. Furniture is often adorned with wrought iron hardware, reinforcing the Spanish influence. To complete the Spanish look, textiles play a crucial role. Look for complete embroidered fabrics, traditional rugs with geometric patterns, and cozy throw pillows with bold, vibrant designs. These textiles add comfort and character to your living spaces while staying true to the Spanish design theme. Lighting plays a significant role in Spanish decor, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Opt for soft ambient lighting with warm toned bulbs to enhance the cozy feel of your home. Additionally, candles and lanterns can be used to add a romantic touch to your Spanish style space. Spanish style homes often incorporate elements of nature, embrace potted plants, hanging gardens, and climbing vines to infuse life and freshness into your interior and exterior. Nature is an essential part of Mediterranean lifestyle and brings a sense of tranquility to your home. As we conclude this journey through the captivating world of Spanish style home decor, we hope you are feeling inspired to infuse your living spaces with warmth, elegance, and timeless charm of Mediterranean design. Whether you are looking to renovate your entire home or simply add a few Spanish inspired touches, remember the key lies in embracing history, culture, and artistry of this captivating style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your amigos. And as always, we would love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I hashtag Hugo. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.